Taong 2013, ang pinakabagong pangkat ng mga top-tiered basketball players ng Pilipinas ang susubok na muling itaguyod ang ating bandera. Sa ikalawang pagkakataon, napili si Coach Chot Reyes para pamunuan ang programa ng Philippine National Basketball Team na binansagang Gilas, Pilipinas.
Before we get there, I think it's best we remember where we came from. Remember who we're playing for, gentlemen. Everybody's going to be cheering for us. Let's bring it in. Let's go. Laban Pilipinas! It's the same in the fact that we didn't have enough time. My first time down as a national team coach, if you remember, we were suspended and the suspension got lifted 3 months or 4 months before the tournament. This team, same thing. There were issues with players who were available, and then there are issues with the time that we have together. So it's similar in that sense.
At sa kanilang pagharap sa hamon na muling iangat ang Pilipinas, alam na nilang malaki ang mga pagsubok na kanilang pagdadaanan. Una nang dumagok sa kanila ang unti-unting paglagas ng kanilang pangkat dahil sa injuries.
Kailangan namin mag-fill up sa mga nawala sa amin.
Nung nawala si Kelly, si Jared, si Ryan, nawala yung pang-depensa rin natin eh.
I find ways, to be more physical. Si Sanitos, kaya niya yung mga physicality sa pag malalaki yung kalaban.
Yun talaga yung kailangan mag-step up kami, ibigay namin yung mga naibibigay nila sa loob ng court.
The 34th Woodin Jones Cup International Basketball Tournament. Champion, Team Philippines Gilas.
Dahil din sa tensyon ng Taiwan at Pilipinas, naudlot din ang pagdepensa ng Gilas sa kanilang Jones Cup title.
Nasira talaga yung schedule namin. Kulang na kulang kami sa mga games. So, nagkaroon kami na experience to play. To play sa Lithuania and then yun nga, recently ito sa New Zealand.
Sa lahat na maghihinayang na di pagbalik sa Jones Cup, si L.A. Tenorio ng Barangay Ginebra na siguro ang isa sa pinakadismayado. Siya nga naman ang nagpaangat sa Gilas, Pilipinas noon, kaya't pinarangalan siyang MVP ng torneo.
L.A. inside, outside, Fonacher, favorite shot. L.A. pinubuhat ng Team Pilipinas with his great play. L.A. for three! Second three-pointer for L.A. Tenorio. L.A. might be feeling it, he fires again. Yes, sir! Another three!
Sa torneong yun, ipinakita ni L.A. ang puso ng isang palaban na Pinoy.
Dream ko talaga maglaro sa national team. Grade school, high school pa ako. Pangarap ko na talagang magkaroon ng uniform ng Philippines. Matagal nangyari bago ako nag-represent ng country. Sobrang blessed talaga ako na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na ganito. Malaking factor yung Jones Cup na nakalaban namin yung mga kalaban namin this FIBA Asia. Sa tingin ko mas matindi talaga itong laban na to compare sa Jones Cup.
Yun ang nakikita ko rin ginagawa niya sa Gilas. Talagang threat siya at the same time, nakikita niya yung kung ano nangyayari sa loob, tapos nadadalay niya rin yung team through his leadership.
He's a fighter. He doesn't back down. He takes big shots. That's what I like most about L.A.
Bagamat nawala ang Jones Cup stint ng Gilas, Pilipinas, nagkaroon naman sila ng pagkakataon mag-training sa Lithuania at New Zealand. Pero hindi ito naging simpleng pasyalan sa ibang bansa. At talagang nasubukan ang kanilang tatag sa malalakas na mga kalaban, nakakapagod na training at pagkawalay sa kanilang mga minamahal.
It was really all about the game. It was preparing, it was getting used to the system that that Coach Trot was introducing to the team.
Pakiramdam ng isang player na nakalayo sa pamilya, minsan parang na-homesick dahil matagal kang nasa isang lugar, ganun lang ginagawa mo. Kaya sabi ni Randy, wala kami sawa na magpapatawa o gagawa ng mga kalokohan para malibang-libang na.
It was a good break from basketball, to be honest. You know, it was almost probably 22 months straight of basketball for me, and it was good just to have a week to, you know, focus in on my relationship, on my kids.
Mahirap at magtrabaho man, ibang klaseng oportunidad ang makasama ka sa national team. Mas lalong ninala sa pito ng mga kagaya ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters big man na si Bo Belga na naging late addition sa Gilas, Pilipinas.
Later na nung college career ko na parang gusto ko mapasama sa RP team. And nung 2007, lucky naman na napasama ako sa SEA Games sa RP Harbor. Tapos ngayon naman dito sa Gilas. Kumbaga, eto ano naman to, isang achievement naman to kasi halos puro PBA player yung kasama ko rito eh.
You know, if you look at Bo as a player, the values and the type of work ethic that he has. I know I've been his teammate and I've seen how he works, you know, off the court. I've seen his attitude and how he responds when instruction is given to him.
Bo, set shot on the three. Bang! Shoot through a Belga pick. Gets it over to Belga. Here's a three. Back-to-back threes by Big Bo.
Big offensive rebound. Belga faking a three-point shot. He was actually wide open.
Tinignan pa yung kalaban.
Bo, kita naman sa biceps mo talaga, pinaghandaan mo itong larong ito.
Hindi, ano lang, unang-una, pride ng isang Pilipino ay magpatalo, lalo na ngayon, ibang bansa, China. So, ano lang, pride lang ang umiiral sa akin.
Ngunit isa pa ring mahirap sa paglalaro sa national team ay ang limitasyon ng lineup. At bagamat magandang ipinakita ni Bo, hindi siya pinalad na makasama sa Final 12 ng Gilas.
The only reason for us to cut Bo was because we had to name 12. We couldn't name 13, but if we could name 13, obviously Bo would have made it. It was very difficult to cut him, but he took it very professionally. From day one, when we asked him, when we invited him, we said that there were no guarantees. We were inviting him to come and practice. We promised him that he'd have a real shot at making the team. And you know, in the end, he did have a real shot. It took us quite a while to make that final decision.
Pero sa kanyang pagkatanggal, naipakita ni Bo ang bukod tanging profesionalismo at pag-unawa sa pagsakripisyo para sa mas makakabuti sa lahat.
For now, hindi para sa akin eh. Hindi pa sa ngayon eh. Tsaka nasabi ko naman sa sarili ko, bata pa ako, may mabubuo pa namang Philippine team. Dasal na lang din na mapasama ulit sa training camp. And nobody knows, baka sakali sa susunod.
He really did not lose anything. He gained a lot of things with his experience. A relationship niya, no, with all the other players, I think only made him a better person and made him a better player. I'm sure for the next national teams, magiging contender or strong candidate ulit si Bo Belga.
Hindi pa tapos ang lahat para sa paglalaro para sa bayan ni Bo. At inaasahang makakatulong pa ito sa kanyang patuloy na pag-usbong bilang manlalaro.
Well, it's never easy because with that Centennial team, we were all together the whole year. There was 13 guys, so you knew that there was going to be one guy who was going to be cut. You know, all you could do really at that point is just give your best throughout each and every day. And, really just move on. You learn from it, and you use it to motivate you.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga may tutulong ko sa inyo. Pero as long as hiningan nyo ako ng tulong, nandito lang ako. Willing akong tumulong, bibigay ko lahat. Kahit na nasa reserve list ako, talagang susuporta pa rin ako from day 1 hanggang sa matapos yung FIBA Asia.